Sadhguru Sharanam. Hi everyone, I am Deeva, your new social science teacher, and last year you have only EVS and you learned about plants and animals and also about your neighborhood. And in this year we are separating this with EVS and social studies, and here we are going to learn about how the earth looks. And you know, we are all living on the earth, each human beings, plants, birds, everything, and we can see only a part of the earth. That is, while we are at home or at playground or at the beach, we can see only a few part of the earth, not the whole city or the whole village or anything. For that we are using new devices to learn more about our earth, and one important device we are using here is the globe. You know what is a globe? That is a model of the earth. That is, we can't see the earth because it is very huge. It is a huge ball. We can see only a small part of the earth. That is, we are living in. നമ്മൾ താമസിക്കുന്ന കുറച്ച് ഭാഗം മാത്രം. Okay. Here I am using the model of the earth. This is the model of the earth. The globe, only a part of this globe you can see at a time. Only when I am rotating this you can see other side. So that is the globe. It is the model of the earth. This is the globe. Okay. This colored area you can see on the map, that is blue, yellow, pink color, purple color, all these are the land area. This large landmass is called a continent, and it is a small one, and we can get different size of globes. This is only the small one, and even bigger globes are there, but there are some difficulty in using this. Well, one difficulty I told you, only one side you can see. Only after rotating this you can see the other parts. And look here, this is the continent Asia and also Europe. All these comes under this area. And now you can't see that is North America or South America. While I am rotating this, you can see that here North America and South America. That is the difficulty, and you can't learn clearly about these places. Just you can locate the places here. You can't see where India, or if you look with closer you can find each and every country, but you can't learn more detail on that particular area. And for that we are using another device, that is the map. Well, what is a globe? Globe is the small model of the earth. This is the globe, and it is only a small model of the earth. You know, look what is the shape? It is like a ball, and here this device I can rotate. This is the globe. What is a globe? Globe is the model of the earth. It is smaller or bigger in size. If it is more bigger, even bigger, it is not easy to handle. That is our difficulty, and in order to avoid this difficulty we are using another one, that is the map. Can you see? This is the map, and all the area that are shown on the globe are also shown in this flat paper. That is, map is the representation of the earth on a flat surface or a part of it. That is, map is the representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. So, this blue colors, that are the water bodies on the earth. There are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic or the Southern Ocean. These colored areas are the landmass on the earth, they are the continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And it is drawn on a flat paper, and also it is easy to handle. I can roll it or fold it, and this is a wall map because I hung it on the wall. Small maps are also there. Look, this is a small map. Maps are of different sizes. This is a small map. This one is a large map, and this large map is otherwise known as the wall map. Why it is called the wall map? Because I hung this map on a wall. Large maps that are hung on the wall are called the wall map. Do you get? In the beginning we learned about the globe. Globe is the model of the earth. It is the small model of the earth. Earth is a huge ball and we cannot represent that, and only we can do this or make a model of the earth, and in that we are representing all the landforms on the earth. And with the help of this globe and this map we are studying more about the earth. And sometimes we are using book of maps, that is lot of maps attached in a book, and that particular book is known as atlas. And now I am showing you an atlas. This is an atlas. This is a book of maps. An atlas is a book of maps. You can see different maps on this book. This is atlas. Look, many maps are here. World map, and also part of the continents and our country India, and its geographical map, political map, all these are here. But one of the importance of this map is we can see a part of it, a part of the earth. In a globe the whole world we can see, but in a map we can show a part of the earth, and this is the world map. And here with the help of this map we can learn only about India. Here it is India, and this map we can use for the study of India. And also it is available, there is map of Kerala or map of Trivandrum. But in order to learn more about a particular state or a particular country or a particular place, we are using this map, and globe is not possible at that time. But in order to study more about the earth, what we are using? We are using a map only to know about the shape and how the earth works. For that we are using this globe. Otherwise we are using this map only to learn a particular part or a particular continent or any other things or any important things related to a country or a place. We are using the map. And a book of map, that is known as the atlas. In a book of map there are so many maps that is attached in the form of a book, that is known as atlas. ATLAS, atlas. But here we learned 3 important terms. One is globe, second one is map, and the third one is atlas. First one, globe. What is a globe? Globe is the model of the earth. What is a map? Map is the representation of the earth or a part of it on a paper, that is a map. Then what is an atlas? Atlas is a book of maps. But these are the 3 terms we are discussed now. Once again, a globe, it is a model of the earth. We can see only a part of the earth on this globe. Only by rotating the globe we can see it completely. But it is difficult to learn about a particular place or particular country. Only by using a map we can learn more about a country or a particular place. For that we are using this map, and this is the world map. It is the political map of the world. All the countries in the world can be represented in this sheet of paper. And this is also a wall map. Why this is called a wall map? Because I hung this map on a wall. That is why. That is a large map. That is why I hung it on a wall, and so it is known as a wall map. Okay, now we are moving to another topic, oceans. Blue color that are shown in this globe are the water bodies. These huge water bodies on the earth are called oceans. And also in this map there are so many blue colors are here, and these blue colors show the water bodies on the earth, and the huge water bodies on the earth are called oceans. What are oceans? Oceans are the huge water bodies on the earth, and these oceans are represented on the globe or on a map in blue color. This is, all these blue colors are the water bodies, and also in this map all these areas are water bodies. And we have 5 important oceans here: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. And this Antarctic Ocean is otherwise known as the Southern Ocean. Well, how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. Which are they? They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. And in which color oceans or the water bodies are represented on a map? It is represented as blue color. In a globe or on a map, the water bodies are represented in blue color. And there are some smaller water bodies. They are the seas, rivers, lakes are the smaller water bodies. The large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. What is an ocean? Ocean is the large water bodies on the earth. And how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. Which are they? They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic or the Southern Ocean. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic or the Southern Ocean. Okay. How many oceans and what is an ocean and which are the important oceans, that we learned now. In which color or in a map or on a globe we are using blue color to represent the water bodies. On a map or a globe we are using blue color to represent the water bodies. Large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. Oceans are 5 in number. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic or the Southern Ocean. Is it clear? Okay. Now we are learning about this colored area, and here you can see yellow, pink and brown colors shown in this globe and also in this map. Here yellow, pink, purple color, green color, all these colors are here, and these colored areas are the land area. That is, huge landforms on the earth are called the continents. All these are the landforms on the earth. These are the blue colors are the water bodies, and this colored area, they are the land portion. And first of all, we are learning about the continents. There are 7 continents. How many continents we have? 7 continents. Which are they? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents on the earth. But how many continents do we have? We have 7 continents. Which are they? They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents on the earth. A large land mass on the earth, or the large land area on the earth, are called the continent. But what is a continent? Continent is a large area of land on earth are called continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Which are they? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And the largest continent is Asia. But among this, the largest continent is Asia. Here, that is, India is also in the continent Asia. But these are the 7 continents on the earth. Well, large landmass on the earth are called continents. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay. But here all these things we are learning with the help of a map or a globe. But mostly we are using a map to learn about all these continents, because it is easy for us than using a globe. So, with the help of this map we are reading all these countries, and before that, before reading this map, we have to know one important thing. Only then we can understand or locate the places on a map, that is the directions. How many directions we have? We have mainly 4 directions: east, west, north and south. That you are familiar with that directions. And how we understand these directions with the help of a map? For that, listen here what I am doing. Here we have a map, and this top of this map, it is the north. Always the top of a map is the north and the bottom of the map is south. And listen, and I am facing this map, then this is my right side, and this right side shows the east and this left side shows the west. Only then we can understand or locate a place on a map. In order to find out the direction on a map, how we find out? Always top of the map is north, bottom of the map is south. Then the right side, if we are facing the map, then our right side is the east and the left side is the west. But that is the way we are finding the direction on a map and locating a place on a map. The people, those who are traveling on boats or ships, we are calling them as sailors. And what device or how they locate the place or direction? They locate the direction with the help of a compass. What is a compass? Your elder sister or brother, they are using a compass there in their geometrical box. But here we are using another one. It is mariner's compass, and it is like a watch. This is the picture of a compass, and like in our watch there is a needle, and the red side of the needle, red point of the needle, that always shows or points the north side. So the sailors, they can find the directions with the help of this compass, and only northern side they can analyze. After that, easily they can analyze the other directions. When we know one of the direction, then it is easy for us to find out the other directions. And in all the map there is a pointer that shows an arrow here or anywhere, but in this map there is no arrow, and that arrow shows the top is here. So north, when we are identifying the north of this map, it is easy for us to identify the other three sides. Like that, the sailors, they are using this compass. They understand the direction, that is the northern direction, and then they come to know about the west, east and south. Like that, we are using the map. That is, once we identify the northern direction, we know the bottom or the side opposite to that is south. Then our right side is east and the left side is west. It is most important to understand or to locate a place on a map. It is the important thing while we are using a map. The maps are of different types, and in all these maps we can identify the places with the help, that is east of any country or the west of any country. At that time we want to know which is east or where, which place is the east or which is the north. For that, first we identifying the north direction, then the south, then east and west. While I am facing a map, the top of the map, that is the north, bottom of the map, that is south, and the right side of me, while I am facing a map, the right side of me is the east and the left side of me is left side is the west. Is it clear? Okay, once more, it is most important area to identify the direction on a map. That is, always we are facing a map, north is, the top of the map is the north, bottom of the map is south, and the right side of us is the east and the left side of us is the west. And the sailors or those who are traveling on the boats or on the ships, they are using a mariner's compass, and it is like our watch, and a needle is there, and that needle always points towards the north, and thus the sailors, they identify the direction. Once they come to know about any one, that is the north direction, then they can easily identify the other directions. So that is about our planet Earth. In this chapter, we already learnt about the globe. What is a globe? Globe is the model of the Earth, and then about the map. Map is the representation of the Earth on a flat surface or a part of it on a flat surface. And next we learned atlas. What is an atlas? A book of map is called an atlas, and also about the wall map. A huge map hung on the wall is called a wall map. And then oceans. There are 5 oceans. The huge water bodies on the earth are called ocean. There are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic or the Southern Ocean. And the smaller water bodies on the earth, they are called seas, lakes or ponds, etc. And the large landmass or the land area on the earth are called the continents. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And in order to locate the places on a map, we have to know about the directions of directions. We know there are 4 directions mainly. They are east, west, north and south. And how we locate the direction on a map? On a map, the top of the map is the north and the bottom of the map is the south. Then the right side of us, while we are facing the map, the right side of us is the east and the left side is the west. Thus, we can easily identify a place on a map. And then about the compass, the sailors, they are using this compass in order to find out the directions. And compass, it is like a watch and a needle in that, and this needle always points towards the north, and thus with the help of this they identify the other directions. That is all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.